Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu X1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the strap on this watch. Okay, so first we need to remove the old one if you want to change the strap. So grab your watch, flip it around, undo the velcro, and then as you can see on each side of the strap we have this lever right here. And what we can do is basically pull on this lever to release the strap. It's quite simple. You grab it with some kind of pin or something, or fingernail, and you pull it towards the middle of the strap. And once you pull it, it should release the strap and you should be able to pull it out like this. And we can do the same for the other side. So pull on the lever. It's quite tough sometimes to pull on it, but once you pull on it, it will release the strap. And here we have our watch and our strap separated. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. You have two pins on each side of the strap, as you can see, and basically one pin or each pin is inserted into a hole on the watch right here. And here we have holes on both sides, and one of them is retractable. So if you retract it by pulling on the lever, it will retract, and once it retracts, it basically releases the pin from the watch and you can pull it out. The strap, I mean, you can pull out the strap from the watch. Okay, and once you get a new strap and you want to put it on, it's quite simple too. You take a strap, you take a watch, you insert the pin on the other side, opposite side of the lever, insert it into a hole on the watch. Just make sure that you attach it into correct direction. So I believe this is the bottom part of the strap. So insert it into a hole right here. If my hands weren't shaky that much, then maybe I would be able to insert it. Okay, once you insert it, you need to pull on the lever to retract this pin, align it with the hole on the other side, and then you can release the pin. And it should basically click in. It might be a bit of a struggle sometimes, but once it clicks in, it should hold. Then the other side, remember to make a loop like this, so you can fasten the strap later on. So don't insert it like, oh no, it fits only the one direction, because if you tried the other direction it would look a bit bad. So yeah, okay, that should be quite hard to put it on wrong. So insert this one is gonna be more tricky because yeah, it's going to be fighting with me, but we need to do it like this, I believe. Okay, insert it on the side opposite of the pin, then retract the pin, align it with the hole, release it, and once it clicks in, it will hold. And now we can fasten the strap, and here we have the strap back on, and that's how you change the strap on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.